Sawadee krap. Welcome to Koh Samui Thailand. And here is CHAWENG. On this way it's Lamai. On this way is Menam. Now let's take a look in CHAWENG. And today I want to show you one unusual side road here. You can find here is a massage shop. Lots of massage shop here. So this is the very end of CHAWENG, the end of the CHAWENG main street. As you can see, you can come enjoy, drink a beer here. You have many houses for rent also here. Few hotel, very nice place to stay. On this compartment house. Now let's take a look at the side road. Here the blue. Few tourists, as you can see. Now the last 3 days it was a lot of raining, big raining. And also everybody going in Koh Phangan now, because soon is gonna be full moon again. And Songkran also. Everybody go party in Koh Phangan for Songkran. A lot of people at least. Now by this road you can go also in the same place I show you, Green Mango, in the center of CHAWENG. This is a side road with many hotels, many local small restaurants. CHAWENG Resort and Hotel. Here is a very famous residence named PTK Residence. A new supermarket named 24-hour Super Cheap. It's really big inside. It looks like a Tesco or Macro. Here they also have a lot of apartments. On this compound I show you lots of house for rent. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Let's take a look inside. As you can see behind the main street in CHAWENG, you have also many small places like this. The house is really huge inside. It's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. It's a very nice place. I did rent a house here already once. It's really quiet. You're still in the center of CHAWENG, but it's really quiet. I think now it starts around 8,000 baht a month for the 1 bedroom. Let's get back to CHAWENG Center. One apartment, you can see 5,000 a month. Here a very nice building. Also they have a very nice apartment inside named CHAWENG Residence. side, you go on the big street. On the right side, you go CHAWENG Center. The Muraya, very nice place. There used to be a 7-Eleven now, but it's closed here. It's just behind Koh Samui Stadium. Now let's go back to the main street of CHAWENG to see how it is in CHAWENG Center. Nomad house. You can reach the beach here, and on the left side is CHAWENG Center. This part of CHAWENG is very quiet. Raza village. This is stuck at burger, also CHAWENG, stuck at burger. The Duke pub is always open. As I told you, this part of CHAWENG, it's really quiet. Samui aussi. Tropical Buffet open. McDonald's open also. Burger King is open now also. The more we get near the center, more we can see have a lot of tourists now. CHAWENG and Lamay Many Song Teo now. You can see many people with motorbike, lots of tourists. This is Samui Central Festival. Everybody call it Santan here. Now this is the center. CHAWENG. So Green Mango, Bandiosi Bar and Grill open not so long ago. Very nice renovation inside. The McDonald's in center of CHAWENG still closed. They're planning to open it soon. Restaurant open. Islander bar always open and full in the night. This bar also always full in the night. Take a look at the small road inside. No. Sorry, the next one. Solo bar open again. There was in renovation. Very nice to see. Basilicum. Isratur open. Viva Cabaret open. Very nice to see the sun again. The last 3 days it was really bad weather. That's it, we are at the south of CHAWENG, around OP Bungalow, Marina Villa Resort. Subscribe now to see the last update of the situation here. Today it's April 2022. And it's almost 5:30 p.m. afternoon. See you tomorrow for the next video.